Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. Features also include premium sound system, leather seats, adaptive cruise control, cooled seats, panorama sunroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2015 Genesis. It wasn't named 2009 North American Car of the Year for nothing. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, power passenger seat, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.